As Bimbacks, all set now, ready to race. Race number 3. Good luck on your second set of your winner take all. And the race is on. Boomerang, Yes Beauty, Buwalan, Market Garden, rushing up is Magalang. Boomerang by about 3 lengths, Yes Beauty, Magalang sneaking by Drell. Alongside is Buwalan, Market Garden, rushing up My Wife Doesn't Know, Role Model. Fireworks, Madapio second last, while Fantastic G is running at the tail of the field. Boomerang by about 3 lengths, followed by Magalang by Drell. Yes Beauty alongside third, and rounding the far turn, Boomerang by about 3 lengths, followed now by Yes Beauty. Magalang is running in third, rushing up his Role Model, and running in fifth is Buwalan. As they race the final corner, Boomerang from the outside. Yes Beauty is running in second, and running in third by Drell is Magalang. As they race the last 200, Yes Beauty, Magalang is running by Drell, rushing up his Role Model. Yes Beauty, Role Model is on the outside, moves up. It's now Role Model, followed by Yes Beauty, and finally number 5, Role Model. Second, Yes Beauty. Then comes Magalang, close market.